So today we will use the for in loop. The for in loop in JavaScript is used to iterate over the enumerable properties of an object. It allows you to loop through all the keys or properties of an object, making it useful when you want to access each property name and its corresponding value. Let's see how to use the for in loop. We have a developer object with some keys and values. To use for in loop, we can add the for keyword, and inside the parentheses, we can add let key in developer. Here, key means the property name and developer means the object name. Now, to log all property names in the console, we can use console.log key. It will then return all key names like name, age, and city. Likewise, to log all the property values, we can use the same for in loop. But in the console, we have to use the bracket notation. So add developer, and inside square bracket, we need to pass a key variable. Now, this will return property values like Amy, 27, and London. Now, let's take them in action. In my script.js, I have a developer object. Just after this object, let's add a for in loop. So I will add the for keyword. Inside the parentheses, I will add let key in developer. Now, let's log the key in the console. So I will use console.log key. If you take the preview, we can see all the key or property names like name, age, and city. Now, let's try to show the property values as well. So let me remove this key and instead I will add a backtick. Inside, I will add $key, and there is one thing you should remember. We cannot use dot notation to show the property value. If we use $developer.key, it shows undefined. So we should always use the square bracket notation. So instead of a dot, I will add the key inside a square bracket. If you take the preview again, this time it works as expected. Great. This is the end of this session. In the next session, we'll store objects in an array. Feel free to comment below if you have any questions. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to get more videos in the future. Thank you and see you soon.